Xfinity Gateway Modem. In today's video, you are going to learn how to set up Xfinity Gateway Modem. So let's get started. First, unbox your Xfinity Gateway. Take out the Gateway Coaxial cable, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Then connect them. Plug one end into the wall cable outlet and plug the other end into the cable in port on the gateway. When done, power up the gateway by connecting the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into an outlet. Now wait until the lights stabilize, indicating it's ready. Then connect your device. You have two options. Option number one, use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to the gateway. Option number two, you can connect via Wi-Fi using the default SSID and password printed on the gateway label. Then activate your gateway. For this, open a web browser and you will be redirected to the Xfinity activation page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation and change your Wi-Fi name and password for security and easy access. And that's how you will be able to set up your Xfinity Gateway modem.